Today we're doing a quick wig review slash transformation. This is a new wig. I just got this wig in the mail today. I took it out the box and popped it on my head, and this is what it's giving. It looks a mess, I know, but it's a T-part wig. I need to do some plucking. I need to wash her. So if you're interested in seeing how I transform this wig into something wearable, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig after I washed it and let it dry. There's no product in it. I washed it, conditioned it, let it deep condition with no heat, and I put it on my wig stand, and this is how it dried. So the inside has two combs at the top, and then adjustable straps and a comb at the bottom. And this is the lace. It's white, transparent. I didn't pluck like around the lace because I just plan on wearing it in the middle part, because as you can see, it's just a T part. So I'm going to put some makeup on this lace, put it on my head, and I'll come back and put product in it and we'll see how it looks. Okay, y'all, so I got the wig on. I did not glue it down. This is what it looks like ear to ear. As you can see, plenty of room to glue it down. I won't have any trouble gluing this wig down. It's super big head friendly. Like, it's big. I'll probably have to wear a wig grip with this. I'm not used to wigs being big. Like, I literally have the adjustable straps like right where the clip is, so as tight as I can get them, and it still feels roomy. And my twists aren't super flat, so this is different for me because I got a big head. I might throw my wig grip on real quick because I don't want it to be slipping through the whole video, because I'm not going to glue it down. So hold on. Okay, y'all, I got my wig grip on, so it's secured now and I feel much better. Wow. Okay, so I got some water. I'm gonna get the hair damp. So like I said, this is what it looks like. No product, just washed. This is what it looks like. The curls look like with just water. This hair is smooth, y'all. I really like this. Like I said, you can pluck along the hairline if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that. I love the fact that I didn't do it because I didn't feel like doing a whole lot to the wig anyways. No product. Super pretty. Y'all don't see no hair on my hands for real, except these little strands. And that's what both hands going through my hair. Look on the ground. So we're gonna take some mousse. Wow. This wig is 18 inches, by the way. Okay, so next is going to be Curl Sculpt Gel. I didn't run not one brush through this hair. And I normally do to get the curls to pop, but they're popping on their own, so. I'm gonna brush one side and I brush the other. I'm gonna let it air dry and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. I think. We're gonna brush this side. Compared to this side, we're gonna leave unbrushed. This is pretty. I'm gonna heck look like that. Okay, y'all, so this is the brush side. And this is the not brush side. Probably looks the same. Kind of looks the same to me. And this is the back. Sorry if you can see my bulge ponytail. Sorry if you can't see the back at all. But I really like the wig. It flows. It's not stiff. Big head friendly. Oh. This is as much shedding that I got when I was running my fingers through it. I'm collecting hair off the sink, sorry. So about this much. This is how much I got from plucking the part earlier. So it's how much hair I plucked out of the part. And that was after me plucking the part and washing it. The curls are lightweight, the wig is lightweight. What more could you ask for at this point? Okay, so this wig is by a brand called As Hair. So it's just AS and then hair. And they're a company on Amazon. This is their Water Wave Lace Front Wig, Human Hair, Brazilian Virgin Hair. It's a 13 by 4 by 1 lace front. So this is the one that they're talking about, and then the 13 by 4 is this part, right? Yeah. And then the 1 inch part, and then you know you get that lace all around here that you could pluck if you want. This is 18 inches again, natural color, and it's 150 density. So if you like thicker wigs, you probably won't like this one, but if you like thin human hair wigs, not thin, but just like, I don't know, I guess normal, I don't know if you can call it that, but you know, not doing too much, then you'll like this wig because it's enough hair. Like, it's not thin where you're like, where's the hair at? But it's not like thick. So 150 density. Normal size cap. That's what it says on Amazon. This is big head friendly. I told y'all it's big on my head. I have a wig grip on and I have the adjustable straps all the way to the middle. So big head friendly. And most importantly, I know y'all want to know the price. It is $96.99 for 18 inches. And they range from 12 inches to 26 inches, but the 12 and the 14 inch is sold out right now. So yeah, I will put the description in the box below. This is the box that it came in. It doesn't have anything on it, but on the inside, they pack some lashes, which I think is super nice. Another wig cap, period. And their card, so As Hair. And it's just telling you to do the directions, what to do with the hair. And then a scratch off. So maybe like a coupon, I don't know. But that's all that comes in there. And of course the bag. So remember, 18-inch T-part wig. So this is good for beginners too. So if you don't want the whole frontal, you just want the part, because you can always shift it. Like if you don't want middle part, you can shift it. I can shift it for y'all. Maybe. forgot this thing was in the back. Okay. If you don't want a middle part, you can always shift to the side. I would probably never wear it like this, but it's still cute. And you can shift it to the other side too if you want to. So you won't be just stuck with a middle part. But I think this is the perfect beginner curly wig. And then once you master these, you can move on to the full frontals. And this is good for my girls who don't want to do a lot of plucking either. Like if you're tired of frontals, just get you a T-part wig. So I'm gonna let this hair dry and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so this is how she dried. I still have some wet spots in like right here, but I think this is how she's gonna dry. So she does dry thick if you don't like really gel her down. I just like, you know, ran my fingers through it. I wasn't really trying to go for the wet look, so this is how to dry if you're not going for that look, and I love it. Oh, I forgot I had lip gloss on. The hair is soft, it's pretty, not a lot of shedding. Like, I can see myself getting this in a longer length. I actually do like it a lot, and I'm not just saying that. I think this is good quality hair for the price, because it could be worse and the price could be higher. So definitely check this wig out if you like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next week.